Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So I am still not sure where I'm going with this these shelves, but I did move some bags around, kind of color coordinating. So I hope you like it. This will be the background now for the next videos for at least till the end of the month. I have so many ideas on how to decorate them, but can't seem to put it together. Never had this happen. I love to decorate them, but I just can't get past the industrial look of them. I don't know if I might, go back to my other shelves or what, but for now I do like the size. At least I'm able to put up at least 80% of my bags. I have more, of course, packed away, but I did try to squeeze as many as I can on the shelves. These are really big. They're great as actual storage, but not really pretty, as you guys can see. So I'm trying. I hope you like it. I did kind of put all my colors together, and then the top ones are mostly ones that I couldn't fit, and the black bags I have in the back. There is a lot of bags on here. I counted 75 bags, so that's a lot to be able to put on 3 shelves. These are very nice size. It's just I wish they were prettier. I'm gonna come up with something, I promise. But so far this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for all the love and support here on my channel. I am waiting for the bag of the month to come. I did order it, yay! So that will probably be the next video. If it isn't here by Friday, then you guys will watch the Friday's Kipling What's in My Bag. So that's the list for this week. So again, thank you for the love and support. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Please subscribe, like, come follow me on Instagram. If you'd like to be considered to be gifted a bag from me, you must be also on my Instagram. So my son did notify me that a lot of people were unsubscribed when he cleaned it out because it was virused. So if you think you were subscribed, please go make sure and re-subscribe. That happens a lot to my social medias. They get corrupted in some way. Sorry. That's why I said I'm going to do my gifts on, not on YouTube, but on Instagram, because I don't trust YouTube that much. So please go ahead and follow me there. I will link it on the bottom of this video. I will also link the playlist of all the beautiful displays I've done so far. The playlist will be there. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for the love, the support of my madness, of my collecting. Yeah, there's over 75 bags on here, almost 80. It's amazing. And I will close it off saying thank you, and let's go and show you my most loved Dooney. It's my Dooney Barbie. It is in there. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.